Thank you, Mr. Chairman. As many of you know, I have the honor of representing Riverside County at the state level as Vice President of the California State Association of Counties. In this role, I get the pleasure of working with Ms. Chastity Benson, the Director of CSAC's Operations and Educational Programs. Chastity, would you join me up here on the dais? Chastity is here with us today to recognize two of our county departments who are recipients of the coveted Challenge Award. I'll hand it over to Chastity to tell us more about the Challenge Award program and Riverside County's winners.
Thank you, supervisors and staff, for the opportunity to join you today. And a special thank you to Supervisor Washington, who is currently serving as CSAC's first vice president and is poised to take the lead of our association in 2023. I'd also like to thank all of you supervisors who have gone through the Supervisors Institute, Supervisor V. Manny Perez, for your partnership with the Latino Caucus and all that you're doing nationally. Thank you so much for having me today. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Chastity Benson, and I am the Director of Operations and Educational Programs for the California Counties Foundation. I am pleased to be here today to recognize the innovative work being undertaken by Riverside County. In 2021, we received more than 400 entries in our Challenge Awards program. Each year spotlights the most innovative and effective programs developed by California's 58 counties. That's the highest number of entries in the program's 28-year history. Over the years, the Riverside County has been one of the top recipients of Challenge Awards, and this past year was no exception, with the county earning 3 Merit Awards and also 2 Challenge Awards. Programs that were honored with merits were the county library's P3 library projects and Library Connect programs, the Department of Housing, Homelessness Prevention, and Workforce Solutions Humanitarian Aid to Asylum Seekers program. We congratulate the county staff behind these award-winning programs. 2 of Riverside County's programs received Challenge Awards, and I'm privileged to be here today to present them. CSAC is proud to present a Challenge Award to the county for its Public Health Perinatal Equity Initiative. Riverside County data reveals that African American infants living in Riverside County are more likely to be born premature, more likely to be born with a low birth weight, and more likely to die during their first year of life. Furthermore, African American women are 4 times more likely to have complications during pregnancy. In 2018, the California State Legislature realized the need for additional services to complement the Black Infant Health Program and launched perinatal equity initiatives in 11 health jurisdictions across the state. Riverside County launched its perinatal equity initiative and established a community advisory board with 25 agencies that express interest in seeing the perinatal outcomes for African American families in the county improve. The advisory board provides crucial insight on specific needs for the region and offers guidance for PEI programming. After an analysis and guidance from the board, 2 interventions were chosen for the county. One was to provide free direct doula services to pregnant African American women and to implement a fatherhood initiative program for fathers in relationship with the pregnant or parenting African American women in Riverside County, utilizing the 24/7 DADS evidence-based curriculum. The effect grew into a regional approach when Riverside merged its advisory board with San Bernardino County to create the Inland Empire Advisory Board. Now the 2 counties have worked together to create and launch a successful media campaign to ensure they were reaching the right audiences. For Riverside County's innovation and collaboration, I am pleased to present this CSAC Challenge Award to the county for its Public Health Perinatal Equity Initiative. Would you like to join us? All right.
Thank you so much for this. It's a tremendous honor, and all of the credit go to these two ladies and the teams that are behind them. We know how important it is that we address this really critical issue, and through our doula program and our fatherhood program, we're making tremendous strides towards improving perinatal outcomes among our African American women. And again, thank you to CSAC. It's such an honor, and thank you to the board for your continued support of all of our programs.
We're going to get pictures. Do you want to just wait and we'll do them both at the same time, or what do you want to do?
Next, I am honored to present Riverside County with the Challenge Award for its Take My Hand live peer chat program. The COVID-19 pandemic impacted the broad spectrum of health, physical, emotional, and mental. Due to heightened levels of anxiety within the community, Riverside County experienced a significant increase in call volume from residents expressing feelings of uncertainty and fear due to the ever-changing conditions of COVID-19. In response, the county rapidly rolled out its Take My Hand website that was already being developed. Peer support specialists received unique training and support to respond to chat questions virtually, provide assistance, and connect residents to resources via live chat. Deploying the site as a 24/7 operation, open and free to any member of the public, became a lifeline and beacon of hope to those who might not have otherwise seek behavioral health supportive services due to stigma-related influences. And through its Take My Hand program, Riverside County made a profound impact for those struggling to mitigate the mental and emotional stress of the pandemic. CSAC is honored to present the county with a Challenge Award for its Take My Hand live peer chat program.
Thank you, Board of Supervisors, for this opportunity and recognition event. Thank you, CSC Challenge organization, for that. And I want to thank you, Dr. Chang, our Amy McCann, Deborah Johnson, for their extraordinary support in directing us to do this rapid implementation during that difficult time of the COVID pandemic. Aside from the fact that our team was thrilled that we were able to support our community during these difficult times, we also had the opportunity to have our peer staff continue doing what they love to do, which is provide peer support in a virtual platform, which is Take My Hand live peer chat. So I want to thank you all for this opportunity, and I want to pass it to Shannon, our peer oversight executive team member.
Thank you. Thanks, Martha. This team has been extraordinary. I want to just extend my gratitude to the board and to the executive office for supporting our department to make this happen. The peer chat is manned by people with lived experience. They all have lived experience that's unique, and it gave an opportunity for the people of our community to reach in and be asked about their emotional well-being. There's a lot of stigma around mental health, and we're trying to break the stigma by normalizing it and saying, look, everybody has anxiety at some point in their life, and everybody could go through this. So I just wanted to thank this team. We have Kristen Duffy here and Melissa Vasquez. Melissa Vasquez is our senior peer support specialist who helps the peer support specialists on the line who are working the chat, and we have our supervisor here. She's also our program manager of the peer programs. So thank you all. We appreciate this recognition. We are very humbled and honored. Thank you.
Yeah, Yeah, okay, so this is for later, that's for later. Yeah, I just want to make a couple comments here. These are big deals. There's 57 other counties in California, and we're one of the largest ones. And so both of these groups are affecting the lives of a lot of people. And it's really impressive and these are difficult things to do. These are things that not a lot of people will go out and try to make work. So, I've always looked at CSAC as something where we get together and we kind of combine our thoughts with other county supervisors that are having a lot of the same challenges. But when we stand out like this and what these women have accomplished up here and all the people working with them, it makes me proud to say I'm part of Riverside County. Thank you all for that. You guys want to come over and we'll get some pictures down here? Okay. Supervisors, you can line up. Okay. And then we'll do it in two groups. So I'll bring you guys first.
You're gonna need them to stand on the floor.
And if we can switch them.